Back at it out here on a overcast day. It's starting to definitely feel like fall now, but yeah, we're out here. I already got one jack smelt, and hopefully I get a few more. But yeah, there isn't too much wind today. High tide is at 11, and so I'm gonna just try to get some bait out here and get in there, try to get some halibut, try to get something to bite. Hopefully it bites. Hopefully I have a better day than last time. Last time I ended up with one, but it took all day, so we'll see. Perfect size smelt. All right, nice little smelt. Big jack smelt. Oh, he's gonna thrash my sabiki. Oh no. Had a good little bait session. Got some smaller jack smelt, and I got some medium, and I got a couple large ones. So got a little variety of sizes. So I'm gonna head over to I don't know, maybe hit a couple spots up. Right now the tide's still moving a little bit, so it's not the greatest for fishing for halibut, I would say, but it's starting to slow down. But all right, we'll go drop them down somewhere. All right, and as always with a decent sized bait, I got my sliding single hook and my treble hook, my stinger hook back here. And I have confidence even in these big ones. Some people don't think, but I've caught even smaller halibut on these big guys. All right, just as long as you try to get the treble hook as far back as you can, because there's a lot of times they come back and hit it right back there, and so if you have it in the back, you have a better chance of them getting hooked on. But all right, we're drifting that way. Let me see, I gotta come on this side. All right, drop it down. And we're drifting pretty slow now, so actually the tide's starting to kind of chill out. Feels like about 20 feet of water maybe. So all right, see if we get a bite here. You know, some end of the season halibut or a striper or something else. Oh, we're drifting just perfect. Yeah, and when you drop it down, always make sure you got your drag set properly. They say about 1/3 of the line weight, which I got about 20 pounds, so try to set about at least 7 pounds of drag on there. Oh man, I'm finally on, but he feels big. I don't know if it's a stingray or what it is. He just took a big run. He just ran. I mean, not like a halibut, but he's coming in now. He's coming in a little too fast. Coming in a little too fast. I don't know what it is. Took a big run. Now he's head shaking. Is he a keeper? Is he a keeper? Oh, he looks pretty decent. Oh, he's trying to shake the hook off. Oh, got him in the net. Yeah, he's not huge. He's not huge. Oh, the hook came out. Wow. The hook came out. Man, he was barely on. He was barely on. The hook came right out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. He actually kind of tore up my leader a bit. I mean, he looks decent. He looks about 27, maybe, I don't know, maybe 28. He looks pretty good. Oh man. Well, it took me a couple hours, but not as bad as last time. At least I got one. This guy's pretty decent. Well, all right, we got one in the boat. I'll measure him out in just a bit, but it's pretty decent. I don't know, 27. All right, we got one Hallie in the boat, so I'm gonna throw on another bait here. Put another smelt on. Hopefully we get another bite. Hopefully we get our limit. I gotta be out of here by 1 o'clock actually today, so I can't stay out very long. I'm on a time crunch, so hopefully I could get my limit. We'll see. All right, we're giving him a quick measure. So right here. So yeah, he's just about, he's 27 inch. But yeah, another quick video. Yeah, it just came out. It's a Friday. Today's Friday, September 19th. And so yeah, just came out here real quick. I gotta get home. I gotta go pick up the kids. It's about 1 o'clock. If not, I would stay out here. But yeah, they weren't biting too good, you know, like I said, and towards the end of the season. But you know, still accomplished to not be skunked. So that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm still out here halibut fishing. I'll probably still come out for a couple weeks, you know, and see what's happening. But I'll see you guys on the next time.